Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to how to log in YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into online HDFC bank, so make sure you follow my step to the end. First of all, you need to search for online HDFC bank login in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on your screen where you need to click on it, and you'll be redirected to the official login page of online HDFC bank where it is asking us for our user ID or customer ID. So let me show you an example, and click on continue, and you'll be redirected to another page where it is asking us for our password or PIN. So yeah, once your credentials is done, click to login and you'll be able to log in. But by chance if you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on customer IDs on the screen, and for password or PIN you can simply click on forget password / pins on the screen and complete the formalities, and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into online HDFC bank. And if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.